The following content has been provided by RWTH Aachen University.
All right, so next up, virtual reality. A quick interlude here. VR is, of course, the key advance here is to produce the illusion of being in a three-dimensional world of computer-generated objects. The picture I'm showing here is of a head-mounted display unit which a certain Ivan Sutherland designed at the University of Utah in 1967. And yes, that's the same Ivan Sutherland that did Sketchpad. So this guy was pretty productive. But of course, in VR, the primary interaction is no longer with the world outside, but you are getting a complete virtual sort of enclosure, right? You're not seeing what's going on around you anymore. It's a visual or including sometimes auditory or maybe even haptic environment mimicking the physical space around you. And then you do input. Input is really tricky in VR environments, as we all know. Like, how do I walk in a VR environment? And I need a little contraption that lets me walk on like a stepper band or something without actually walking in physical space. There's all these issues with it. The primary thing that I think is challenging in VR, even today, is that you are excluding all the real reality from your interaction. And that is, reality is a very, 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 very rich environment, and it's very hard to simulate all these little aspects of the real environment around us. The fact that the wind is coming through the window right now, and that it's like moving those blinds and all that kind of stuff, and the lighting situations and the noises and all that kind of things. So VR is often struggling with being a sort of reduced version of what we normally are used to experience with our bodies and senses. That being said, we have, I don't know whether you're aware of this, but we have the world's biggest 3D cave installation here at RWTH, just a couple meters down the hill here at the computing center. So the virtual reality unit here around Thorsten Kuhl, and my colleague from computer virtual reality, actually has a wonderful setup there that I urge you to explore. And if ever they have like an open house or something where you can check it out, you should definitely go and see it. It's a big room with displays on all walls, and you can have a 3D virtual immersive experience in there.
This content was provided by RWTH Aachen University.